Salutare și bine v-am găsit la un nou episod de la Five Nights at Maggies 3. Dar ce ar trebui să fac acum? E bun, cică. Se aude ceva în spate, dar nu știu cum să mă duc în spate. Nu pot să ajung în spate. Deci nu că-i dau restart la joc. Bun, i-am dat restart la joc.
It's literally just us and him, but this is extremely easy if he just shows up at the same. Yeah, he just shows up.
Hi, this is an automated message designed to instruct you on how to do your job here at the new Maggie's Magical World. First of all, welcome to the family. You are now a vital part of Creative Concepts, and we will always give you the best care that we can. Creative Concepts is not responsible for any damage, injuries, or accidents to the person. You will be in charge of repairing the animatronics, making sure that they'll work properly for the show tomorrow. In front of you, you have our most beloved mascot, Maggie. Tonight, you'll be checking her eyes and jaw to see if there is any malfunction. And if there is, you'll be repairing it so she can sing properly tomorrow. You can choose to use the manual and follow all the steps by hand, or you can use our new automatic system repair, which will test the movement on its own, try to catch any errors that might occur, and fix them all. And all you have to do is to click a couple of buttons and you are set for tonight. Choose now.
Nu știu ce e aici. Nu știu ce să fac. Ia mai aici. Greu și mult de așteptat. Ok. al 5-lea minut suntem. În al 5-lea minut. Ei,
No. Dude, look at Chica, bro. Holy shit. Oh, I am. Whoa, 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 whoa. What's that say? What does that say? No, what? I am. Yeah. Mr. Paper Pal trying to be serious.
chiar trebuie să bag?
New game. Let's do this. First night. Oh, the beloved office. Dude. Oh my god, it looks so clean. Sweet. Hey! Oh, the fan moves.
Asta e greu.
So,
Ce ar trebui să fie asta?
pretty bored sitting here.
I can do this.
Ain't nothing
I have... Nu pot să fac asta.
Here's the phone guy.
Am
Did I break the phone?
lucruri, dar
Oh, there he goes.
am nevoie să mă ascund din nou.
Dude.
Nu se merită.
Oh, he's coming all the way. Oh, he's coming all the way down.
Ei sunt...
What? Oh, he's coming straight for my ass.
Ei sunt puși...
So we're just gonna sit.
Ei sunt blocați aici.
Here he comes, here he comes, here he comes.
Ei nu au unde să se ducă.
Not dying on night one. Oh,
Mă dau bătut.
he's going backwards. Bye, Bonnie, I guess.
Wow!
Are you both just leaving? You guys are wrong. You guys are the Hey, welcome to your new job. I'm recording these tapes for you to help you familiarize yourself with the work environment. I'm the night guard who works there before you. Let me tell you, there are a lot of things they don't tell you about this job, but I'm here to clarify any confusion and answer questions that you might have throughout the night, so don't worry about it. Okay, let's go through the basics. As you might have already seen, you have a tablet. This tablet has 3 sections. A camera section, where you can see what's happening in the pizzeria. A ventilation section, which is the camera for the main vent that leads to your office, a vent behind you. And last, the breakers. You have the individual breakers for all the cameras, which you can only have turned off one at a time, for software reasons, don't really know why. And the main breaker for the whole pizzeria. And you have a little energy meter in the bottom corner. This is important because Cut Expenses, Creative Concepts decided to set the pizzeria in a
Cunosc chestia.
limited emergency energy protocol at night, or something like that, I don't know. It just means we have very little power available. Everything consumes power here, lights, doors, etc. And we have to be careful to not waste any power, because if not, you're just gonna have to sit in the dark the rest of the night. And believe me, you don't want to do that. Well, now that we're out of the basics, I gotta tell you, this isn't a normal job. You see, the animatronics tend to move for some reason. I don't know why it happens. I tried talking with maintenance and management, but they either don't listen to me or ignore me completely. So I had no other choice than to learn how to survive here. Well, they will try to get into your office through different places, either from the hallways or the vents, which means that you'll have to be very alert for sound cues. If you happen to hear any movement from the sides, light the hallway, and if you see one of the animatronics, close the door and wait for it to go away. And remember, don't close the door for too long. It consumes a lot of energy. They will also try to get behind you through the vent. If you hear that something got in there, look at the vent camera and light it for a second. That should make any animatronic go back to the stage. You'll have to be very alert, because if not, they'll go right into your office. Well, that's all for tonight. Good luck now. Bye.
Mi-e frică. Nici măcar nu mi-au zis pe ce parte vine primul. Aia, mama. Da, nu știu ce se va întâmpla. Nu știu ce trebuie să fac. Și sunt foarte, foarte speriat. Că din câte vedeți acolo, Nită, e o față. Bun. Sunt sigur că voi captura. Deci, în a cincea oră, eu închid toate. Și venturi și toate. Bine! Cam atât a fost acest episod. Eu am fost Wolf King și v-am pupat. Pa! Pa, pa!